Okay, hello. Magandang tanghali sa inyo. Ngayon ay magsosolve tayo ng about variance. So, paano nga ba natin kukunin yung variance? So, example, meron tayong variance. Example, meron tayong find the variance. Example, meron tayong scores of grade 7 in mathematics sa math test. So, meron tayong sa score is merong 36 to 40 na score yung nakakuha, 31 to 35, 26 to 30. So ito yung ating example, 21 to 25, tsaka 16 to 20, 10 to 15. Yan, example natin. Frequency, kung ilan yung nakakuha ng score, kung ilan na tao. 3, 11, 14, 10, 8, at 4. Class mark. Ito yung ating class mark. Class mark is yun kung ilan yung gitna ng ating score dito sa interval. Interval is 38, 36, 38 na kalahati ng 31 to 35 is 33. Tsaka sa 26 to 30 is 28, 31, 20, 21 to 25 meron 23, 18 at 13. F of x naman tayo. F of x. So, paano nga natin makukuha yung f of x? So, ito, subtract natin ito na 3 times 38 is 114. 11 times 33 is 363. 40 times 28 is 392. 392. 10 times 23 is 230. Tsaka 8 times 18 is 114. Tsaka 4 times 13 is 52. So, ang susunod nating hahanapin is yung mean. Paano nga ba makukuha yung mean? So, para makuha natin yung mean is ito-total natin tong fx sigma fx total lang 114 plus 363 plus 392 plus 230 plus 114 plus 52 is equals to 1,265. At ito total din natin tong frequency. F equals 3 plus 11 is 14 plus 14 is 24 plus 10 is 34 plus 8 is plus 4 is 50 at I equals 5. Para makuha natin yung mean is gagamitin natin yung formula. Ito yung formula para makuha ang mean o paano i-solve. Mean equals sigma fx f. So, ang mean natin is equals, ano yung ating fx? Is yun yung total is 1,000. yun yung 1,265 divide by F is 50. 1,265 divided by 50 is equals 25.3. So, yung ating mean is 25.3. So, lahat po yan ay lalagyan natin ng 25.3 na mean. 25.3, 25.3, 25.3, 25.3, 25.3, 25.3. So, ang susunod naman nating hahanapin is yung x minus mean. Para mahanap natin yung x minus mean is ima-minus lang po natin yung class mark numbers to mean numbers is 38 minus 25.3 is 12.7. Tsaka 33.25.3 is equals to 7.7. Tsaka 28.25.3 is equals to 2.7. At 23 equals 25.3 is equals to negative 2.3. At 18 minus 25.3 is equals to negative 7.3. Tsaka 13 minus 25.3 is equals to negative 12.3. So, ayan po, meron na tayong class mark of mean. So, susunod naman is x minus mean square root. Paano natin hahanapin yung x minus mean square? So, ito is ita-times lang. Ito yung class mark mean square root. So, ito yung ating mean class mark mean square root. So, ito ita-times lang natin to sa sarili nila. So, 12.7 square root is 161.29. 7.7 times 7.7 is equals to 25.29. 2.7 square root is equals to 7.29. Negative 2.3 times negative 2.3 is equals 5.29. Negative 7.3 times negative 7.3 is 53.29. Negative 12.3 is equals 181.29. So, ito yung ating class mark mean square root. So, ang susunod naman nating hahanapin is yung f times class mark of x minus mean square root. So, paano po natin mahahanap itong f times x mean minus mean square root? So, ano yung ating f? Ang ating f ay kukunin natin sa ating frequency. Tsaka yung ating x or class mark is nandito po sa atin, 161.29. So, ang gagawin natin is 3 times 161.29 is equals to 483.87. So, ang ilalagay natin dito is 483.87. Tsaka 11 times 25.29 is 278.29. At tsaka 14 times 7.29 is 102.06. 10 10 times 5.29 is 52.9. 8 times 53.9 is 426.32. At 4 times 151.29 is 681.29. 600. So, ayan na po ang ating f times x minus mean square root. So, ito total natin to. f fx minus x square root is total is 1,948.6. So, ang formula ng variance is pabaliktad na a square root equals this f minus mean square root divide by ganito f minus 1. So, ilan yung ating total of x minus is 1,948.6 divided by f is ang ating f is 50 minus 1. So, equals 1,948.6 divided by 49 is the total answer is 39.7673 or 39.77. Ito yung ating variance of group data. Para sa formula naman ng standard deviation is SD. Yan, may bahay siya. Yan. F x mean square root. Yun. Tsaka f minus 1. Pwede naman natin itong gawin na ganito lang. Ganyan. Tapos sigma. Tawag dyan. Sigma. Yung paside na letter M. Ayan. Parenthesis. Square root. Tapos ayan. M. F minus 1. So, para makuha mo yung ganyan, pwede mo naman itong gamitin para mas mapabilis yung magagawa. So, ang ating a of x squared root kanina is 39.77. So, pwede mo na rin gamitin ang S standard deviation equals divide by 39.77. So, ang ating standard deviation is equals to 6.3063 or approximately is 6.31. So, ito na yung ating standard deviation formula. So, madali lang po yan. So, hanggang dito na lang is maraming salamat sa panonood at sana ay maintindihan ninyo.